आज हम बात करेंगे मेटा स्पेस के बारे में. ओके, सो मेटा स्पेस इज अ स्पेशल मेमोरी inside the JVM which stores the metadata of your class. Now, what do you mean by metadata of the class? Which means here metadata means the structure of your class, what are the methods or the fields your particular class is having. Okay, now this is the diagram where you can see this is the JVM. Okay, and inside the JVM there is a special memory area which is allocated to the meta space. Okay, we also call it as a native memory. Now, why it was introduced? So meta space has been added in Java 8 as a replacement of PermGen memory area. So if you might have heard about the PermGen, which is also known as permanent generation memory area. So before meta space has been introduced, permanent generation used to stores all the class specific metadata. Okay, now what the problem basically meta space is solving? So in both the diagrams, if you see, perm generation memory area is the part of heap memory location. So its memory space is limited to the available heap space. Okay, but if we see meta space is inside the JVM but outside the heap. So for meta space, memory is allocated to the native memory. Okay, so its size is limited to the system memory and it can grow automatically as per the application requirement. So its size is limited to the system memory and it can grow automatically as per the application requirement. Since perm generation is the part of heap, what happens when we have too many classes to load at the runtime? It may throw out of memory error. The chances of seeing out of memory error is very high with the PermGen memory area. But again, if I talk about the meta space, the chances of seeing out of memory error is reduced because the size of meta space can grow automatically as per the application requirement and it is only limited by the system memory. It does not has any dependency on the available heap size. So that's the difference between the meta space and PermGen memory area. If you like this, since meta space size is limited to system memory, then there is a question that might be coming to your mind that how can you set the size for the meta space memory area. So there is a parameter which you can pass in the VMarks, which is -xx : meta space size, and whatever the value you will provide, your meta space size will be of that particular MB. So let's say if here I have provided 128, so here I am trying to say that my meta space size will be of 128 MB. Okay, if you like this video, do share with your friends and make sure you follow me. That's all for today. Thank you so much.